recording. Guys, feel free to take notes. Definitely pay attention to this. And again, I'm gonna record it and send it all to you. Okay, Lane, we're rolling.
Cool. So yeah, just made some actions in Photoshop. So there'll be a couple here for cloudless skies, a couple for fluffy skies, and a couple for wispy skies. So this is in an attempt to match skies to the situation. So say if we got this one, but it was just a lot grayer, we would replace it with the cloudless sky. But we're going to do some batching on these guys. So pull these up, and you can see that it's kind of overcast and cloudy, so we might try a cloudy sky replacement on these. And there's documentation coming on how to get all this set up and everything, but just for like a demo of how you would run it batch style, in case people are unfamiliar. You got File, Automate Batch. It's going to bring up this dialog box. And then all the actions in a group that when you upload them, they will all be grouped. So then you can pick which one you want. And we're going to go for a fluffy one to match as best we can. I set up these folders beforehand. So we have the ones we're going to replace in a folder I've just labeled originals, and then a folder, empty folder for them to shoot into that I've just called Sky Replace. You can name those whatever you want. So I'm going to choose the source folder in our demo originals. So it knows to grab those images. I'm going to put this action on it, and we're going to destination. Where are we going to spit them out? We're going to spit them out in Sky Replaced. The other thing at this point we kind of want to check is if we have errors, we do not want to stop for errors. We want to log our errors to a file. So say something goes wrong with one of the images, it's just going to spit that out. I've had it set it up to spit a file on my desktop, and it'll say, hey, image 4 didn't work, and we have noted that for you, and we just moved on to not slow down the process. So that's what that's doing over here. So we're going to hit OK, and it's going to churn through these 4 images. We can see them working in the background and then populating in our folder here. So it's just 4 images, so it should be pretty quick. So hopefully this will let us be able to batch all of the skies need replaced for one shoot with one sky and get some decent looking images pretty fast. So there's our exited photos. So yeah, I don't know if you want me to cover anything else, Kevin, or if that's good.
I think that's good,
awesome.
Lane. Vikash, did you have a question?
No, I was just saying that was really awesome. I was looking for this batch process, but I never found that.
Yeah, it's very cool. It's very easy. And Lane is working on some documentation that we'll send to you guys later this afternoon. You'll be logged off by then. And Lane, why don't we do this? Why don't we send that documentation and I'll share this recording with you. Oh, let me stop the recording so it's not long. We can send all that to them at once.